Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cannoli cream. First, you'll need to gather your key ingredients: fresh ricotta cheese, powdered sugar, and a touch of vanilla extract. The quality of your ricotta is crucial, so make sure it's well drained to achieve that perfect, thick consistency. You can also prepare any optional additions like mini chocolate chips or finely chopped candied fruit now. This initial step sets the foundation for a truly delicious cannoli filling. The secret to a smooth cannoli cream is properly preparing your ricotta. After draining it in a fine mesh sieve for at least 4 hours, or even overnight, you'll want to press out any remaining moisture. Then, for that incredibly silky texture, push the ricotta through a fine mesh sieve or use a food processor. This step eliminates any graininess, ensuring your cream is wonderfully light and airy, just like it should be. Now for the fun part, mixing. In a large bowl, combine your beautifully smooth ricotta with the powdered sugar and vanilla extract. Start by gently folding them together, then use a whisk or electric mixer on low speed until everything is perfectly incorporated. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the cream too thin. Taste and adjust the sweetness if needed. Some prefer it a little sweeter. Once your cannoli cream is mixed, cover it and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld and the cream to firm up, making it easier to pipe into shells. Remember to fill your cannoli shells right before serving to keep them delightfully crisp. For a truly effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum in the description below, along with other great deals. Enjoy your homemade cannoli.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.